Hi everyone! Today is April 9 and holiday dito sa Pilipinas. So holiday sa atin, if nagtataka kayo, bakit ako nag-work? So I'm a virtual assistant and it doesn't matter kung holiday, mag-work pa rin tayo as a VA. So depende rin naman sa mga agencies or company, pero ako kasi I'm a subcontractor. So meaning wala kaming holiday, hindi rin paid ang aming workdays kung kami ay mag-work ng holiday. For me, okay lang din naman mag-work ng holidays kahit hindi paid kasi itong mga work ko naman, yung mga clients ko and yung mga tasks na ginagawa ko dito tulad ng researching, social media, booking agent, it's really very flexible. So, just that kind of, hindi ka na kailangan umano pa sa mga traffic, sa co-workmates mo na mga toxic, stuff like that. So, you have to enjoy na lang kung anong meron ka. And if you're applying as a virtual assistant, you can check sa OLJ, Upwork, and LinkedIn sa meron na ding mga companies or agency dito sa Pilipinas that you can reach out. I-search nyo lang, make sure na yan ay legit. Don't pay for anything if you are applying. Yun lang and thanks for watching.